All right, welcome everyone. Day 3 of my, I'm still not sure what to call this, retro toy collection going through. And it's G.I. Joe today, Roadblock. I basically picked him because he's one of the few whose name I could remember. I was looking through the toys and I was like, I don't remember any of these people. But Roadblock was, he had the big dog Browning 50 caliber one. He was, just sort of jacked up, and it came with I can't remember if it was a bipod or a tripod, but this was the first. I'm pretty sure he was second generation G.I. Joe, first one with the swivel arm battle grip. I remember that was a big selling point because I do have some of them that just have the locked in place elbow. And like I say, just like He-Man's arms, his torso feels a little bit wobbly. But I say there's not much to say about him since I don't have any of his weaponry. But I say that, but the swivel arm thing was a huge deal back in the day. That was the first time I'd ever seen anything like that. His knees are a little bit stiff. That happens to us 40-something-year-olds. Might be trash in there, might just be the plastic degrading. But that's Roadblock. I liked him. He was pretty cool. And, the cartoon made him look cool too. So I'm going to, say, I don't know if there's a kit to strengthen that up or not. Because, like I say, it feels real flimsy on there. But I guess I could just hold his torso in place with his arms. Okay, that's Roadblock. Thanks for watching, everyone. Like and subscribe if you're digging this. And like I say, I'm hoping to build this up pretty quickly. I'm going to be, mentioning it on my other channel. So if you came over from over there, leave a comment. Let us know that you like both these channels. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.